Okay, so my name is Diogo. I come from Portugal. I'm here in representation of the company Booktailers. We are event organizers, among other things. We are members of the platform Literary Europe Live. We had our festival in May. Now we're here visiting the literary festival here in Malta, and it's been a great experience for me. I had never visited the country, the island, and so far I'm very impressed. It's a city with great culture, and they managed to mix it well with the festival. The festival is here in this great location at the fort, so the festival is very much a part of the city, and it has indeed been a great experience.